Hey, it's a bag switch day. We are switching from our Coach Savannah in the powder pink to our satchel bag in the Deco print from Dooney Bourke. Stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. First disclaimer is, as you may know from my earlier videos, is that I've been waiting for some accessories for this bag. I did get in the wallet, so I am still waiting on one other piece, but I'm going to move forward and switch out. So I don't have everything that I want for this bag in order to fully switch out. So I will probably keep some of the accessories from the powder pink to use in the Dooney bag until I get my other accessories. Let me say something about this bag. I love it, but for some reason, no matter how I pack this bag, there's always this like indentation right here. It just drives me crazy. And I try to put some items in here to remove that dent, but it stays there. So I don't know. But we're moving out of her. And let's start with, I'm just going to open this up to show you what I have in the pockets here. And then this Savannah also has a middle section. So I have some things in there as well. All right, well, let's get started. We're going to, I have this little pouch here. So we have, I do have this pouch, so I'll use this. It's a clear Dooney Bourke cosmetic bag, so I'll use that accessory along with what I showed you, the wallet. This little pouch, I don't have a pouch to switch out from, so I'm just going to use this one in here until my other accessory come in. And let's see, this is the first time I'm packing this, so I'm going to put it in the back section. And so this Brenna has two pockets in the front and in the back, so I'll make use of both of those. I have my little hand sanitizer, and there is a slip pocket in here. Let's see, I'm gonna put that down in there. I have my little card wallet that I reach for most often. Ooh, some of these pockets are really deep in here. We have a, this is just my store cards I carry in this little keychain wallet. And I'll also, let's see, I'll put this in the front zip pocket. Let me see if I can snap it. And so in this one, I have the little zip around wallet and also the store card wallet that I carry in there. So both of those, and I still have a front section and this huge opening here. So I don't think I'm gonna have a problem fitting everything in there. Here is my keys. Put these in here. I'm putting those in the big section. My long wallet, I am going to swap out my long wallet here for the Dooney Bourke, so I'm going to put that in here. So I've emptied out the back pocket, and I've also emptied the front. There's some little debris in there I need to clean out. Now I also have this little pouch that I carry, and it's all of like my mascara, some, let's see, like perfume in here, We have some lip liner, a couple of ink pens in there. So everything that's long, I just carry in this. So I'm gonna keep this for a moment. Then I have this pouch. So let's see what we can switch out and put in here. So this is longer than, there's a little insert, so I'm going to take that out. So let's see what we have in here. We have a little shaver there. We have some cuticle oil, a little manicure set, some eyebrow brush, a mirror, EOS lotion, which I can use right now. Still have one little Perel wipe in here. Need to fill up on that. And that just empties out this bag. And this is what the clear pouch looks like. I can probably take everything out of here and put in here too. Let's see how that works. So I'm gonna put my mascara in here. See how much of this we can get in there. My eyeliner, lip liner, my perfume, eyebrow pencil, my Fenty lip liner, tweezers, my Fenty sharpener, I'm sorry, Coach ink pen. This is Clinique My Happy perfume. I have an ink pen, and I have 2 converters for my headphone. Empties that package out. It's full and it closes. See there. So we have all of that we packaged in here. So we'll put that in here as well. The last thing that I have, if it's down in there, is I have this mini Rowan that I carry on the side of the bag, which I want to find. Well, no, because I have the small pocket, this may work. These are things that I reach for pretty often, and this is my Fenty lippy here. You put in the front pocket, and my wired headphones, put those in a little bag, and also my AirPods. So I don't need that for there. So here we are. We have emptied the mini Rowan. We have the pouch here, pencil pouch, Coach. We emptied the Savannah. Something else? Oh, missed something. Here is my power pack. Put that in there too. So now we're all empty. We're all empty. And let's see what this looks like. Guys, look at here. Get this so you can see. Look up. I still have a bunch of room in here. I have not used this pouch or that pouch. And in the front where I would normally have my, in what I have in the Rowan, the mini Rowan, is up here. And there's another, I'm trying to angle this so you can see it. Let's see, it may be better. This is a strap I had in here. I don't need to carry that. But here's my AirPods. quick access. And then on the back, remember, we loaded the 2 zip wallets here. So I can also now I couldn't snap everything on a powder pink with everything I have in there, but this snaps I am impressed. I am totally impressed with this bag, and I have my badge holder that I got from Dooney Bourke where I carry my business cards in here. And she is beautiful, and I am pleased. It's a crossbody, so I will be carrying this. I will only carry it for a couple of days because I'm headed out for a cruise, so I am going to switch out to a much bigger bag so I can carry some other things in here as well. And then when I return, I'll switch back into the Dooney. Love it. What do you think? All right, signing off. This is Mrs. DLC.